You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this abbreviation, or contraction I should say. If you want to learn more contractions that are a bit confusing, more vocabulary in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced as isn't. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. It's a Z sound indeed. The spelling is with an S, but it's pronounced with a Z. So isn't. This isn't funny. It isn't a bad pronunciation at all. Isn't. Those are examples of pronunciation. English pronunciation, how to pronounce isn't. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.